everything that you imagine you can do, and whatever you dream will come true. With this beautiful quotation, we'll start a lesson that is Introduction to Data Science. It's a completely new topic for all of you. Okay, but try to understand this is very important also. And in our real life, actually, there is very importance of data science nowadays. So, what is the data science? Today, various service providers and businesses are aware of our online presence and behavior, which help them to reach out to prospective customers among our circle and promote their business. While doing online shopping, you must have seen this. Suppose you are visiting one site and you are shopping for one product, immediately you will get in another site also the when you are browsing, the same product is showing to you, because they are capturing our data. Of course, many would like to buy what we are buying. What these service providers are doing is nothing but very intelligent and prudent use of our data available to them. For business out there today, customers are data sets, more data, because nowadays online businesses are means at going in high rate, and we the customers are their data sets. More data businesses have about people, better would be the chance for their businesses to grow and expand. This is something is called datification. So datification is the process to convert various aspects of life into meaningful data. Describing the life's aspects in the form of useful data is the art of datification. Data collected after tracking and monitoring the online activities of the prospects is used to create organized datasets. These datasets can be optimized to get useful insights in order to analyze the prospects of a person being a potential customer, or to understand problems, or to see trends as solutions, to address the problems, and to do projections which could prove useful in various ways. So, what is this actually? Data collected after tracking and monitoring. Suppose whenever we are doing online shopping, we are visiting a website, searching some means searching products, then going through their details. Sometimes we are shopping also, doing shopping, giving our address and other information. So that are stored. Okay, and that data they are using for the next time when we are doing, or they come to know our choice, what we like, what we don't like. Okay, similarly you can see that messages, advertisements are coming in your mobile automatically. Suppose today discount is there, free up means free coupons are there. So some attracting thing will come, that will be go to that site and do the purchasing. So that is actually data science. They are using our data, customers data, to analyze, and then they are using it for their business. Okay, so some examples. What is then data science? Data science is a field that gives insights from structured and unstructured data using different scientific methods and algorithms, and consequently helps in generating insights, making predictions, and devising data driver solutions. Okay, so the words are difficult, but what is that actually? So whenever we are doing online shopping, so we are not the only customer, or the customers are not one or 50 or 100 like this. Millions and millions of customers are doing. So they have to track everybody's data and then analyze the data, and accordingly they will means utilize the data for business. So it is not a very easy task, and so for that they use some algorithms, means techniques, programming techniques, and use the different types of software to make the insights. So the data used in data science is usually collected from different sources such as e-commerce sites, surveys, social media, and internet searches. Okay, so these all things very popularly we are using. E-commerce site, all e-commerce sites, Flipkart, your Snapdeal, Amazon, all e-commerce sites. Then surveys. Surveys means where they collect the information from the people. Social media, then and internet searches. So from there they are getting our data. All this access to data has become possible due to the advanced technology for data collection. This data helps in making predictions and providing profits to the business accordingly. Data science is the most discussed topic in today's time and is a hot career option due to the great opportunity it has to offer. Okay. So beginning also I told you that this data science becomes one of the important field nowadays. Okay. So people are getting opportunities to for job also, and it is the and they are getting businessmen are also getting chance to grow their business. So this picture will means clarify what is data science and what it includes. So data science includes scientific methods, maths, statistics, advanced computing, visualization, hacker mindset, domain expertise, and data engineering. So not this is not a very easy task or a very easy thing. Okay, to collect the data or to track the data, analyze the data, and after analyzing to work on that data, it is a very big task and it includes all these things. Data science, scientific methods are there, maths calculations are also there, statistics is also there, advanced computing means softwares which you are using IT, that advanced computing is also included, visualization, hacker mindset, domain expertise, and data engineering. This all includes or becomes the part of your data science. So some simple examples I have brought for you from where you can understand what is data science. Okay. Suppose it helps in getting the ideas of what customer would love to purchase or eat according to their previous order history. Just like sometimes you must have got the message from Zomato or Swiggy that you will get 15% discount, 10% discount. So how this message is coming to our mobile? They are collect data from our previous order. Okay, what we have ordered, so they can come to know that that is your choice. Suppose 3 4 times you have ordered the same item, so that item you like, so they can attract you by giving discount or giving coupon or something. Okay, so this will let online food delivery companies understand the requirements of their customers. With the help of data science, they can know from what area they are getting maximum orders and on what days of a week. Okay, so that is their analysis. Then which day customers are more ordering and from which area the order is coming more. Moreover, they can provide more efforts to selective customers on particular orders based on their previous ordering history. This kind of recommendation can be achieved by using the data about customers, including their age, income, browsing history, and prior orders. See, when you log into that app, first time you are ordering, it will ask you to log in. That time we are giving all information, name, address, phone number, email ID, everything. So that data is stored in their server. Okay. In this way, the food ordering companies can increase their business by focusing on customers' requirements. Another example, see, data science also helps in making future predictions. For example, the airlines can predict the prices for the flights, see, according to the customer's previous booking history. Airline companies can collect the data of their last flight bookings to understand the patterns at what time of the year most reservations get made. Suppose holiday times, most of the reservations get made because people wants to travel or they want to visit some new places. So that time booking will be more. So they track their data, which time the booking is getting more. Okay, and for which destinations most of the bookings get made and around what time of the year. Okay, suppose it is October Diwali time or September holiday time, December. So some festival times or holidays when schools are closed, people generally travel. Okay, so that time they will track and they will attract you for their business by giving discounts or something. Understanding this pattern, airline companies can predict the prices of their flights accordingly and gain maximum profit. So now you can understand what is data science, that we are giving our data, then they are storing our data. So this way we are not the only customer for them. So many millions and millions are booking flights, millions are using this Zomato, Swiggy and other food ordering apps are there. So they are storing our data, and after that they are using that data to do their business. So that is that related to data science. So while online shopping also same thing. When we are booking our order, we are giving our details, all things. So that data is not once, it is stored. Suppose once you have purchased from Flipkart, you have given your address, phone number, everything. Next day you purchase from Amazon. When you will book the order, you will find that your address, phone number and other things are already in the screen. How? You must have been surprised that I have given my data in Flipkart and now it is showing in Amazon site also, because they all sites have their softwares are there using which they, whenever there is data is fed in the internet, that they can share. Okay, so data science also helps in getting recommendations. Sometimes you must have seen cookies are coming to save your password, to save this website. So once you click on yes, then it is saved. Okay, in your internet, any website you go and you log in, it will ask you already, automatically the password will be typed. So data science also helps in getting recommendation. As an example, this Netflix pack, everybody, for watching movie using Netflix can give recommendations based on the previous browsing history of videos and ratings given by user to the videos. Based on the choice of videos, the new videos recommendation can be provided of their interest to the users. This can keep the users busy in using such sites and let the company earn more profits. About Netflix, I don't I know less than you, I think. So all of you are using for watching movies online, web series, and also how that package is coming and how we are deciding on what your surfing history, what what type of movie you like, what type of video you want to see or you like to see. Accordingly, it will give you the recommendations. Okay. So now comes to understanding data science. In simple terms, now science of discovering knowledge by analyzing data is called data science. Data science involves mathematical techniques, statistics, algorithms to analyze data and derive some useful insight which is beneficial for the business or the purpose at hand. Okay. Science approaches helps in observing and making sense out of data and to explain the sense in the form of a useful pattern, trend, or prediction. This makes data science tremendously significant, a multidisciplinary field. It requires both quantitative and technical skills to pursue the discipline of data science. I have already shown you that data science not only for collection of data, it includes statistics, includes mathematics, advanced computing. So data science is seen as a technical extent of statistics that handles enormous amount of data. So data science can also be defined as it is an approach or methodology applied on the data sets to derive useful conclusions from them. Okay. So they suppose you are frequently ordering something. So they can come to know your choice, your likes, your dislikes, which time you are ordering. Okay. So accordingly, they will encourage you to do shopping, and their business will grow like that. Data science involves the methods and models of statistics, algorithm and programming tools of computer science and machine learning approaches of artificial intelligence field. In true sense, data science involves the tools and methods that deal with enormous dynamic and complex form data called big data. Sometimes artificial intelligence, what is? Whenever you are making login to any site, captcha is coming, that's something you are entering. It is asking, are you a robot or are you a human being? So what is that? Robotics are artificial intelligence. Okay, means they will work like human, but with the programs or instructions provided by the computer. So sometimes they are using artificial intelligence. Just like while using Google also you are using that Alexa, that voice, you are telling something, then it is recognizing and accordingly it is giving you answer. So these are robots only which are use of artificial intelligence. Okay, so today there is an immense ocean of data emanating from countless computer and other devices world over as part of internet and world wide web. This enormous amount of data in petabytes and exabytes had been in making since the advent of internet in past decades. So now we have started using internet much more, and data also we are using much more. So it is not in kilobytes or megabytes or gigabytes, rather it is petabytes and exabytes we are using. So voluminously, dynamically generated and complex, a lot of data collectively is called the big data. So key areas of data science: mathematics with statistics, computer science, business knowledge, and good communication skill. So if all these four things are present, then that will build a means very good data science. Okay, all parts of important parts of a data science, or you need these skills or the fields for the data science. So now benefits of data science. Already from those example, you must understand that data science businessmen for in online they are using to grow their business, and our requirements are so fulfilled. So since sitting at home we are doing everything. Having understood the basic meaning of data science and how big is related to it, now let us look at some major benefits that data science offers to enterprise, people, governments, and the world. Unlocking hidden intelligence. Data sets are patterns and internal relations which are not seen at a casual look or consideration. Okay, suppose any pattern we are giving, any password we are giving, so that is not means at one look it cannot be open. Okay, so they are collecting our data and storing those patterns and passwords on. So data science tools and techniques enable us to do the useful trends and meaningful pattern quickly and accurately. Sometimes softwares are there also to analyze the data, to give the means analysis in a graphical format, in chart format, in pie chart, in bar chart, in column chart. So that is easy to understand and to give opinions. Okay, so precision and speed. Business and enterprise expert timely and precise answers to their business related questions. Data science methods enables data scientists to come up with precise predictions and trends out of vast big data quickly. For example, accurate and timely predictions of weather trends for farmers can save them a lot of loss during monsoon and droughts. Okay, that means if for weather forecasting, they need some data. That they have collected the data, they are analyzing their data, and then they are forecasting the weather accordingly. That farmers can save their farming. Okay, cultivation, agriculture can be saved. Better decision making strategies and opportunities. So, owing to its accuracy and ability to analyze big data to see useful patterns and trends, data science makes business improve upon making better decisions, which help in further growth and dealing with the problems with an improved efficiency. Okay. So better decision, they have collected the data, they will analyze their data as that flight reservation. Suppose they come to know that December most of the tickets are booking from this place to this place. So accordingly they will plan. Okay, this for decision making. Suppose the farmer will get the forecast of weather forecast. Accordingly he will start. He will means do whatever the needful to do in the help in agriculture. Okay, so it will make the data helps in better decision making strategies and opportunities. Okay, rest of the things in the next class. Hope all of you understood. Any doubt we'll discuss in the doubt class. Thank you all. Have a nice day.